Hello and good morning to everyone. Once again, few of the questions which we are left in the exercise 1.2. Once again, today we will do all these the remaining question. Okay. So up to question number 5 we have already done, and which we are related to our addition and subtraction related question. Okay. So from today onwards means now whatever the question we will do, that question we will see whether that question related to our addition, subtraction, otherwise any of the other operations. Okay. So question number 6, it is given a merchant on on an average manufacture 2825 screws a day. How much screw did it produce in the month of January 2006? So it is given that one day production of the screw it is given, and it is asked you have to find out the production of the screw in the month of January. As it is given for a single day, and whenever it will be asked for more days, you can find out. More days you can find out. But instead of asking it is for more days directly, it is given indirectly, that you just have to find out in the month of January how many screws did it produce. It means instead of asking the number of days, it is asked that in the month of January. Actually the month of January it is of 31 days. So instead of asking that how many screws did it produce in January, actually it is indirectly it is asked how many screws did it produce in 31 days. So it means one given and it is asked for 31 days. One given, more it is asked. I said one to more. More means multiples. More than one, it is called as your multiples. So 100% the operation is to be applied. It is your multiplication. So your writing style should be just like this. Number of screws produces in a day is equal to 2825. So the total number of screws it produced in the month of January 2006, it is equal to single day production into 31, which is equal to 2825 into 31. It is equal to 87,575. So it is the applications of the multiplication. Next question we will see whether the multiplication it is to be applied, otherwise division it is to be applied. Next question it is given, a merchant had rupees 78,572 with her. She placed an order of 40 radio sets at rupees 1200 each, and it is asked how much money will remain with her after the purchase. Before we have to solve this question, one of the example I am showing, okay, one of the little example whose solution you can say to me orally. Suppose I have 11 rupees. Once again repeating, suppose I have 11 rupees with me, and with that 11 rupees I want to, from that 11 rupees I want to purchase the chocolate, and the chocolate, each chocolate price is rupees 2. Each chocolate price is rupees 2, and I have order for that type of chocolates. For that type of chocolate, one chocolate cost equal to rupees 2. For chocolate I have order. Then after the purchase of the 4 chocolate, how much amount of money it will be left with me? How to solve? 11 rupees it is with me. I have ordered 4 chocolate. Each chocolate price is 2. So 4 chocolate price it will be 4 into 2. So it means total amount I spent on purchasing it is equal to 8 rupees. So the total amount it was 11 minus 8, which is it is your 3. So how I have done this example discussion, in the same way we will do the discussion of the question number 7. Okay, and here it is not the application of the single operation. Here in this question we will apply the 2 operation. One it is our multiplication, and another one it is our subtraction. Okay, so in the same way how to write, just you have to give your focus. Okay. Amount of money with the merchant it is equal to rupees 78,592. Number of a radio set purchased it is equal to 14 numbers. Price of, otherwise cost of each of the radio it is equal to rupees 1200. Okay, so the cost of a 40 radios, one radio cost equal to 1200. So the rate of a 40 radios, one radio cost given and more than one it is extra, so it means multiplication we must have to do. So the cost of the 40 radios, it is equal to 40 into 1200, and whose total price it will be our 48,000. So merchant had previously 78,592, and how much amount it was spent on purchasing the radio? It is your 48,000. So the amount of money, otherwise remaining money, it is remaining money with the merchant, it is equal to 78,592 minus the spent amount, otherwise purchase amount 48,000, which is rupees 30,592. So the amount left with the merchant, it is rupees 30,592. A little bit double operation applicable questions we are facing. Okay, interesting. Means one by one question means more interesting it is creating. Okay. The next question it is given. Next question, it is the practical situation many of the students you are suffering whenever you are giving the math exam, otherwise you are doing the math homework, otherwise classwork also related thing, math related thing. Okay. The question it is given: a student multiplied 7,236 by 65 instead of multiplying with 56. Actually, in the exam it is said, suppose that you just have to multiply 7,236 with 56. With 56 you have to multiply. It happens in many of the students' case, instead of a 56 they converse and they wrote by mistakenly 65. The question it is given with the same related of situation. Okay, it is given the number you have to multiply with 56, but someone is multiplying with 65. Smaller number 56, but one is multiplying with the greater number 65. So for which writing style one can do just like this, and it is asked at the last by how much his answer greater than the correct answer. It means 7,236 it is given to multiply with the 56, but one is multiplying with 65, one is multiplying with the 65. So it means 56, 7,236, it is the into 56, it is the correct product, but the incorrect product the students is obtaining 7,236 with 56 with 65. Whenever multiplying with 65, one is getting the incorrect answer. Okay, so here it is given that the incorrect answer, it is how much more than the correct answer. Okay, so incorrect product we can find out. So the incorrect product equal to 7,236 into 65. Actually 65 it was not given to do the multiplication, but you got 65 multiplying with the 7,236. So the incorrect product, it is your 4,70,340. It is your incorrect product. But the correct product one can get, it has the 7,236 into 56. Into 56. So the correct product it is 4,05,216. So the incorrect product it is your 4,70,340, and the correct product it is 4,05,216. So 100% the incorrect answer is greater. Why? Because 65 someone multiplied instead of a 56. So 100% the incorrect answer it is greater than the correct answer, but it is asked that the incorrect answer it is how much greater than the correct answer. So you can write the the answer greater than the correct answer, it is equal to 4,70,340 minus 4,05,216. Their difference it is equal to 65,124. The same question it can be done also in the another way. Actually in the previous way we have done the two multiplication and one subtraction, but in which way we will do the solution now? In that case only we need to do a single multiplication. Okay, actually number is same, 7,236 number is same, but here it is by mistake it is given you have to multiply this one, but one is multiplying by this one. It means one is multiplying. The situation it is just like this. Number is same. instead of multiplying with this one is multiplying with this one. Okay, so it means now directly we are getting that, see here it is 56 it is said, but 1 is getting the 65 multiplication product. So it means actually how much the difference between the two number, the difference between the two number equal to 56 given, but I consider it as the 65. So what is the difference between the number? 65 minus 56, which is equal to 9. So difference between the number equal to 9. So the difference between their product equal to 9 into 7236. Previously I got the product of this, then after I got the product of this, then after I got their difference. But instead of doing the so, here it is a shortcut way by which we can do it easily. That first we have to consider that the 56 given, but I have considered 65. So it means how much the difference between the two number, between the incorrect number, it is the correct number. So between the incorrect to correct number, the difference it is 9. The difference it is 9. The difference is 9. So the product it is differed by how much? Product it is differed by how much means that difference between the number into that number 7236. So which is it is equal to 65,125. And your writing style it is just like this. The difference between the incorrect and correct number it is equal to 65 minus 56, it is equal to 9. So the difference between their product it is equal to 9 into 7236, which is equal to 65,125. Either you may do in the upper way, otherwise you may do it in the lower way. Both the way are same. Okay, then the question number 9. Question number 9, it is given that to stitch a shirt 2 meter 15 centimeter cloth is needed. To make a dress, otherwise any of the shirt it is given 2 meter 15 centimeter cloth is needed out of a 40 meter cloth. So total cloth it is 40 meter. Total cloth is 40 meter, and for making a single shirt, the cloth it is required 2 meter 15 centimeter. Okay, and it is asked how many such type of dress can be stitched and how much cloth will be will remain. How much cloth will be will remain. So it means one of the situation I am giving. Suppose with me 11 rupees it is with me. Amount of rupees it is with me, it is 11, and in the market the chocolate it is available whose price is rupees 5, rupees 2, suppose rupees 2. So it means how many such type of a chocolate I can purchase? 2, then after another 2 chocolates, 3 chocolates, 4 chocolate, 5 chocolate. On purchasing 5 chocolate, you have already spent the rupees 10. Then after how much amount it will be left? 1 rupees it will be left. With that 1 rupees, can I purchase any chocolate? I cannot purchase any chocolate because the chocolate minimum price it is 2. But my price it is less than the minimum price of the chocolate. So for which with 1 rupees I cannot purchase the chocolate. Understood or not understood? The situation it is just like this. The situation it is just like this. It means with 11 rupees I purchased 5 chocolate and 1 chocolate and 1 rupees it is left, because with that 1 rupees I cannot purchase the chocolate because the minimum price of a chocolate is 2, but I have 1 rupees which is less than the price of the chocolate. With that price I cannot purchase the chocolate. Understood or not understood? The same situation we have to put in the question number 9. Question number 9, it is given that the cloth, total cloth it is equal to 40 meter. Here it is meter, and another one it is meter and centimeter it is there. Okay, and I have already said you the shortcut trick how to convert the units. Meter it is there, also centimeter it is there. You know that whenever I am converting the meter greater to smaller, the number becomes larger. Once on that day I did the discussion how to convert the unit. Whenever the greater unit you are converting it into smaller unit, it will be more in number. It will be more in number. So for which I feel comfort that I have to convert all these two numbers having the different unit it into same unit. It has the smallest unit, it is ours the centimeter. Meter and centimeter, centimeter it is the smaller one. So for which I would like to convert the meter it into centimeter. So our first writing style should be just like this. The total cloth equal to 40 meter. You know that 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So 40 meter it is equal to 40 into 100, which is equal to 4000 centimeter. Here it is the application of the multiplication it was done. 1 meter 100 centimeter, 40 meter 40 into 100 centimeter, which is equal to 4000 centimeter. Okay. And to stitch a shirt, the cloth it will be required to stitch a single shirt, the cloth it will be required, it is equal to 2 meter and 15 centimeter. 2 meter 15 centimeter means 2 meter plus 15 centimeter. Already right side centimeter, that one it is centimeter. Which one I want to change? Only 2 meter I need to change it into centimeter. So 2 meter to centimeter conversion, it is 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So 2 meter equal to 200 centimeter. Now it is 200, previously plus 15 centimeter, which is equal to 215 centimeter. Now the total cloth it is converted it into centimeter, and a single dress required cloth it is also converted it into centimeter. So now it is very easy to convert that directly. I will write, so the total number of dress can be stitched, otherwise total number of shirts can be stitched equal to total cloth divided by each shirt stitching cloth. Okay, which is equal to 4000 divided by 215. And on dividing I will get the quotient it is equal to 18 and the remainder it is equal to 130. It means with that much cloth I will be able to stitch 18 shirt, but 130 centimeter of cloth it will be left. Why 130 centimeter it will be left? Because the minimum cloth it will be required equal to 215, but here it is 130 centimeter of the cloth it is left. With that 130 I cannot make a dress. Understood or not understood? So your answering style should be just like this. With 40 meter of a cloth I can stitch 18 number of shirts, but 130 centimeter meter of the centimeter of the cloth it will remain. Otherwise 1 meter 30 centimeter of a cloth it will remain. Okay, I think the question number 6 to 9 it was very easy. I feel also the same thing 100% I will hope from you also. And in my next class we will complete the total exercise. Only the question number 10, 11 and 12 it is pending, and that these 3 questions we will do in our last class discussion. Thank you, have a nice day.